welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable notifications in Proton Calendar step by step. Enabling notifications helps you stay on top of important meetings, appointments, birthdays, and reminders by sending alerts before your events begin. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your Android phone, iPhone, or in your web browser and sign in with your Proton account. Make sure you're connected to the internet so your latest calendar changes can sync properly. Next, open Settings in Proton Calendar and look for the Notifications or Reminder Settings section. Make sure event notifications are turned on. If you're using the web version, you may also be asked to allow browser notifications. Click Allow when prompted so Proton Calendar can send alerts to your computer. If you're using the mobile app, check your device's notification settings as well. On Android or iPhone, open your device settings, find Proton Calendar, tap Notifications, and make sure notifications are enabled. Without this permission, reminder alerts may not appear even if they're enabled inside the app. Now, open an existing event or create a new one and add a reminder. Choose when you'd like to be notified, such as a few minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day before the event starts. Save your changes, and Proton Calendar will notify you at the selected time. Finally, create a test event a few minutes in the future to confirm that notifications are working correctly. If you don't receive the alert, verify your notification permissions, internet connection, and app settings before trying again, and that's it. You now know how to enable notifications in Proton Calendar and receive timely reminders for your meetings, appointments, and important events. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.